Ever noticed how some businesses or your competitors always seem two steps ahead? They launch products at the right time, adjust their strategy before things go south, and hit targets like clockwork. It's not luck, it's data, and more importantly, what they do with it. Because today, data alone isn't the advantage. How you use, analyze, and manage it is. That's why more and more data-driven businesses are choosing Power BI. It's not just a tool to build dashboards. It's a window into your business, your performance, your gaps, your opportunities, all in one place in real time. No more waiting for monthly reports, no more gut-based decisions or manual dependencies for reports, but just instant clarity. And that's where we come in. At DataTubeIz, we help businesses move beyond just using Power BI. We help them build a data culture around it. Our developers understand that Power BI isn't a one-size-fits-all tool, and that's exactly its strength. Every business has its own goals, data sources, and decision-making styles. The real value lies in shaping Power BI around those specifics. It starts by understanding what matters to you, what decisions you need to make, what challenges slow you down, and what insights you wish you had sooner. Once that's clear, the next step is getting your data in shape. Cleaning, modeling, and organizing it so it's accurate, reliable, and ready when you need it. Then comes the part you see every day, the dashboards. But Power BI isn't just about visuals or graphs. It's about building views that help you take the right action at the right time. Whether you're tracking KPIs, connecting data across departments, or making analytics self-serve for your team, Power BI is built to work for you, not the other way around. So why do data-driven businesses choose Power BI? Maybe the better question is, why wouldn't you?